to nobody.
The 136th anniversary of birth of Unitarianism in Northeast India was celebrated at Unitarian Church, Shillong. The theme of this year's celebration is "Religion are different roads converging at the same point," based on the famous line of Mahatma Gandhi. On this occasion, the leaders from different religious groups attended the program. Chief guest on the occasion was the Cabinet Minister Shillong, while the MLA of 19th South Shillong, Sanbor Shillai, was present as the guest of honor. Hajram Kishore Singh established the Unitarian movement in Jawai, Janta Hills on the 18th September 1887. It is a social religious movement in the Khasi Janta Hills. Speaking on the occasion as an appointed speaker, Reverend Derek Pariat elaborated on the theme of today's celebration.
The Sukude Badom Kaniki first program Junga Banyo Bandon Hakanike area constituency Jompi, Nangis came Kikam Jamku Pila and still Yigi, Shubon Kikam Pila let them Jompi in down Wine Jompi, Opindan La Shushu Banchakri.
Swami Vivekananda was the first to use this metaphor while describing religion at the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago in the year 1893, the 11th of September. Where he described religion as the different streams having their sources in different places, all mingle their water in the sea. So overall, the different paths which men take through different tendencies, various though they appear, rooted or straight, all lead to thee.